Welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy meatballs. The ingredients, of course, we need our ground meat. I'm using ground pork here. I have thinly sliced onions and garlic, 1 egg. I have flour here. You can use breadcrumbs. I decided to use this since I don't have breadcrumbs ready. So in cooking, if you don't have the right material, let's say you want breadcrumbs, you can always get something different. So right now I'm using flour. For my spicy flavor, I use chili cayenne, soy sauce. I have water with sugar dissolved in it, as always, because I don't use MSG. If I don't use MSG, I use sugar instead. Okay, and of course I have not even half a teaspoon, less than half a teaspoon, because we have to reduce the salt since we have the soy sauce here. This is the result after mixing it. I didn't realize that my video my memory storage is full, and then it was too late for me to check that it wasn't recording. So in our video we missed adding all the ingredients, but I just basically added all the ingredients and then mix it. So here's the result of this meatball mixture. So if you wanna be more healthy, you can always add vegetables. I can add thinly chopped carrots if I want to over here. I also like that one. This is one way for you to introduce to your kids, especially if they like this one. Just like my daughter did not like carrots before, but when she started eating lumpias, that's when she started to like carrots, because she knows that carrots in there. So that's a creative way of introducing vegetables to your kids. If they like something like meatballs, they like it, put something that is healthy in there. Chop up carrots, maybe some fibers of pineapple, you can cut it up, and it also gives a taste. If you want it in the sweet side, you can make one for them. Okay, so that's it. And then basically you just make balls out from this, and you can fry or you can even bake it. If you want it healthier, you can bake it. It's all up to you. All right. Okay, so here is our ready mixed meatballs. We can form it into a ball. Make a spoonful of this, and just simply, if you want to bake it, you can put it in a baking pan. You can just prepare it, form it ahead of time if you want to fry it also. So here we go. We can just go like this. And then fry it, and you're good to go. Okay, so we are now going to fry our meatballs to a medium heat. and we step it up a little bit by putting some decorations. A little bit healthier this time, so we put fresh carrots around, broccoli, and some little green onions popping out right there. And we have our sauce, and I hope you will have fun doing your own creation too. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button and share, and we'll see you next time.